Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to disassemble and replace the battery on a Mazda key fob. A battery replacement is required when you find the range on your remote becoming shorter. You'll notice a key battery symbol on your gauge cluster, or you may not be able to start your vehicle and you're required to use the key. The disassembly procedure here can be used to replace any components on the fob, such as the case or buttons. Here's the remote. Go to the rear, pull out the latch using your nail, and remove the key from the case. This will expose two cutout portions, one on each side, to insert a flat screwdriver to pry apart the backside of the case. Using a standard screwdriver, gently pry apart the case. Be sure not to use a sharp screwdriver as you may damage the plastic easily. The case can be split down on either side, with a portion in the center holding everything together. For me, the case did split apart on the opposite side. Once the one side has been split apart, this will expose the circuit board along with the button panel. If your buttons or case are worn, sometimes replacements can be purchased online and you are required to switch over the circuit board. Back with the screwdriver now, trying to split apart the center portion. Once it has been removed, here you can see where the battery is located. Remove the round plastic protector on the battery. Under this will be the battery. This requires a CR2032 battery. The battery simply slides into place with the positive portion facing up against the round plastic protector. Install the new battery and then the protective cap. Snap the center portion back into place on the case. Push around the perimeter, ensuring it is locked into place. Now snap the button portion with the circuit board back into place. The key can now be clipped back into the back side. It may be hard to see on camera. When each button is pushed, there will illuminate a small red LED light. This demonstrates that the keyless remote is working. After that, you are officially done. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.